I'm going to ask you to listen really carefully to something I've learned over many years. You seem to focus on a specific problem within you. You seem to treat it as a weakness. I'm going to ask you to release these weaknesses that you seem to focus on periodically. They're not important, and they're not real. They are false. They are the expression of false concepts that have been placed in your mind. And as you release them, you can feel yourself replacing those perceived weaknesses with a greater power because you recognize that they are false. This is a much more aware universe, and it calls for the talent and ability that you've obviously demonstrated in so many areas. And by releasing these false concepts that damage the image that you have of yourself, you're healed. There are no scars because they were all just illusions anyway. And you've let them go. You don't give them power. You give all the power to the talent and the consciousness that you possess. The image that is filling your mind is one of genuine power, of beauty and of love. And the second you let those false weaknesses go, you felt illuminated. A beautiful power filled every molecule of your consciousness. And this new power is reflected now in everything you do. It's reflected in your smile, in your handshake, in your caring and touching of others. You leave everyone with the impression of greater good. The next time you see someone who seems to be paying attention to what you know is a false concept, share with them how you released the illusions that had held you back, that had damaged your self-esteem. Let them know when you released that there were no scars, because they were just illusions. And the beauty that is expressed through you touches everyone and everything you do. Just see the beauty. That's all there is. Everything else is just an illusion. I want to suggest that you make up your mind that every minute of every day is wisely invested so that you will continue to grow. Your mind is the greatest power in all of creation, and your mind is ever seeking greater expression, greater expansion. And know that everything you own at the time of your passing will belong to someone else. but everything you are is yours forever. You're developing a strong desire to share that beautiful truth with everyone you come in contact with. Make certain you never sell yourself short. If you have the slightest desire to do something, you've been blessed with the power and the ability to do it. Let's take a moment and give thanks for that. Mother, Father, God, thank you. Thank you for this beautiful awareness and this awesome power that we are blessed with.